Hello and welcome to my channel, From Dust to Shine. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing part 2 of the house that my daughter and I offered to clean. I'd also like to share that neither my daughter or I are professional cleaners. We just wanted the people that live in this house to have a nice clean home because to me, there's nothing better than a clean house. Now let's get started and clean the bathroom because like you can see, it is in need of some attention. There was so much dust, spider webs, hard water stains and buildup, and it was in need of a good deep cleaning. I honestly couldn't believe the curtain and the shower head in this bathroom. Now on to cleaning my favorite part of the house, which is cleaning the sink. First I sprayed it down with Lysol with bleach, and I might as well start to spray the toilet so that it can start to soak with the cleaner. I also used Comet with bleach and a brush so that I could scrub it and clean it the best that I could. I then used my razor blade to start removing all of the hard water stains and buildup. I repeated this process about 3 times. And while I'm cleaning, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. This summer, I plan on doing a deep cleaning of my whole house. So if you like cleaning videos, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I would love for us to share ideas and cleaning tips in the comments down below. I know it seems like I'm the one to lose. I might be crying, but baby, so will you. You tell them stories from one point of view. You say that I'm the one who messed it up too. This is how the sink turned out. I think it's a huge difference. Now on to cleaning the cabinets. First I sprayed them down with Lysol with bleach and I scrubbed them with a brush. I did the same to the door and the linen closet. Now I'm going to get the bathtub ready to clean. The first thing I did was take everything out so that I could spray everything down and let the spray work its magic for a few minutes. Since the toilet had been sprayed down minutes earlier, I cleaned it out first and then I went to work on cleaning the bathtub. Sorry about the lack of light. Out of the 6 light bulbs, 2 were out, and that little window that you can see is all of the natural light that I had coming in. Like you can see, a few minutes have passed and the Lysol with bleach has already removed a lot of the bacteria and buildup. Now I'm going to scrub the shower head with the brush because in reality, most of it came off very easily. All it needed was a quick cleaning. Since I used products with bleach, I let the water run for a few minutes because I wanted to make sure that all of the cleaning products were cleaned out and that way the bathtub could be ready to use. The clear shower curtain we just threw away and we put in a brand new one. Now onto cleaning the mirror and finishing up the last details. And finally, I am done and this is how the bathroom turned out. Thank you so much for joining me today as I cleaned someone else's house, and I will see you in the next one.